to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I've been getting a lot of DMs about my eyebrows and how I do them. So today I'm going to show you how I do my brows and the products that I'm currently using right now. So if you'd like to see how I do my brows, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is like to go in with a spoolie, and I like to brush out my eyebrow hairs in the direction I want them to go. And I did already apply foundation because I like to do my brows with foundation on. I just like the way they come out better than I do without foundation. So what I like to do is go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color dark brown. And I like to go in with this small Japanesque, I think that's how you pronounce it. I got this brush from Ulta. If I can find it on their website, I will link it in the description bar. But it's just a really, really thin angled brush. So I like to go in with a little bit of product. And I like to start at the bottom of my brows and kind of just outline them. But I don't bring it all the way to the front. Kind of start here and then just outline. And then with the extra product, I like to just blend this up in the middle of my brow. And now I'm gonna go back in with my spoolie and I'm gonna blend this out. And now I'm gonna take just a little bit more product and I'm gonna go on top and I'm gonna outline the top. Again, starting a little bit further from the beginning of my brow. And now I'm gonna go back in with the brush, but I'm not gonna add any more product, but I'm going to extend the line towards the front. And now I'm gonna go back in with some more product and I'm just gonna darken up the end of my brow. And I like to extend the tail of my brow a little bit further out than my natural hairs, just to give my brow a longer look. Now once you have the shape that you want, go back in with the spoolie and just blend to the front. And this way it drags the product throughout your brows so you don't have a really thick dark brow. You'll have the little ombre effect. I also like to go in with the NYX Micro brow pencil, and this is the color brunette. I'm just going to use this to define the line a little bit more. I'm going to go in again and blend. Okay, now I'm going to go in with some more product and I'm going to do the other brow. This brow's a little bit harder for me because it's a completely different shape. But I don't care if I don't really mind if they're two different shapes as long as they look similar. And I'm just going to do the same thing on this brow. I'm going to outline the bottom and blend the product throughout the middle of my brow. And towards the front of my brow. And it's okay if the lines are not as sharp or crisp as you'd want them because we're going to go back in with concealer and clean them up. Now I'm going in with the NYX Micro pencil and I'm just going to sharpen up the lines on the top of my brow. And I'm going to blend in any sparse areas. Because this color is lighter, it won't make my brow look as dark and thick in the front. And once I have my brows the shape that I want them, I'm just going to go in and blend some more before we go in with concealer. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the color 240. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe M432 brush. It's just a flat top brush. And I'm just going to take a little product on the brush and then carve out my brows. I'm going to start on the bottom. And then I'm going to take the product down just to blend it. And I'm not going to add any more product on the brush. I'm just going to go in and clean up the top. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other brow. And if I feel like my brows need to be filled in anymore, I'll just go back in with a little bit of product and just stick some product where there's sparse areas. Okay, this is the final look. This is what I currently do for my brow routine. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, or if you thought it was simple. Here's what they look like up close. Sorry for the lighting. I'm still trying to learn how to use all this lighting. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.